This is my daughter Elana. She's 18, freshman in college. She's smart, she's beautiful, she's a leader. She was always happy, always joyful. She had lots of friends. She enjoyed life. She saw lots of different possibilities of what she could do over the next few years. She enjoyed college. Well, a few weeks ago, she decided to come home, and I thought she would drive home and I would drive her back to college, or maybe even put her on a plane. Elana didn't make it home. A little outside of her college, Elana lost control of her car, went over an embankment, and rolled the car. We never saw Elana again. I'll never get a chance to hug her. I'll never get a chance to hear her talk. I'll never get a chance to hear her laugh. Elana was smart and beautiful, but she wasn't wearing a seatbelt. And because she wasn't wearing a seatbelt, she didn't have a chance. So think about your family, your friends, yourself. Remember Elana. Wear a seatbelt and buckle up. So put your seatbelt on, because live another day. Do it for Elana, because she's our angel now. Just remember, buckle up.